Welcome to my subscribers of Robin Bormon's Mathematical channel of YouTube company. Well, my friends, we are discussing homeopathic medicines one after another according to alphabetically, starting right from A. This A group is continuing. Our today's topic is acetic acid. My friends, this medicine is purely glacial acetic acid. Mother tincture is prepared from glacial acetic acid. It is a vinegar. It is nothing but our vinegar, what sometimes used for cooking purposes of meat, etc. The prover is Dr. Herring. Dr. Herring discovered these medicines, proved these medicines with Dr. Berries. Now, what are the guiding symptoms of acetic acid? Acetic acid is a short-acting superficial drug. We may use only in the palliative stages, where in the last stage or the terminal stage of any grave disease or serious disease like cancer, like tuberculosis, like diabetes mellitus, when the health is completely broken, pale, waxen looking, there is great emaciation, chance of recovery is very less, we may think of acetic acid. So, in the later stages of or terminal stages of any bad diseases, serious diseases, grave diseases, destructive diseases like tuberculosis, like cancer, like diabetes, etc., health is totally broken down. Mass wasting and excessive atrophy or emaciation of the body. We developed anemia. We developed dropsy. But two important peculiar symptoms is very, very important. It should be remembered. Number one, profuse urination, and number two, profuse thirst. So the emaciation or anemia or cachexia or following any bad diseases, grave diseases like cancer, TB, diabetes, but two important symptoms is marked profuse urination and profuse thirst, we may think of acetic acid. Even in cancer of the stomach, we may prescribe acetic acid. But the symptoms, two important symptoms must be remembered, profuse urination and profuse thirst. With emaciation, with cachexia, with pale waxy looking, with anemia, with dropsy, but profuse urination and intense thirst. It is also applicable in backache, when backache relieved by lying on abdomen. Backache relieved by lying on abdomen, a peculiar symptom of acetic acid. So with such grave diseases or without those diseases, when the backache is relieved by lying on abdomen, on belly, you may think of acetic acid. Now the potency, in 50 millisimal scale of potency, you may prescribe from the very beginning, 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 means globule. Hahnemann denoted 0 means globule. So 1, 2, 3, 4 in succeeding way, or in centesimal scale of potency, 6, 30, few doses, 6 doses, 8 doses, 10 doses, BD or TDS, twice daily or thrice daily, or 34 doses, 5 doses, 6 doses, 8 doses, twice daily or thrice daily, and weight. In centesimal scale, you please prescribe 6 dose, 8 dose, or 10 dose, and wait and see the result. So this is our acetic acid, my friends. Once again, I am recapitulating all the points. It is used generally at the terminal stage or the later part of the serious diseases like diabetes mellitus, cancer, tuberculosis, etc. When the health is totally broken, cachexia is there, emaciation is there, with paleness of the body, with anemia developed, with dropsy developed, but two important symptoms should care about: profuse urination and profuse thirst, and backache relief by lying on back. Thank all of you. We shall meet in our next class.